Noswaith dda, gyfeillion, and a very warm welcome to tonight's event. As Penny said, we're delighted to be holding our third annual event here in Techniquest in Cardiff Bay, and I think you'll agree it's quite a fantastic setting and quite appropriate for a programme such as CARES, with a strong emphasis on public engagement of science. We have, as we said, we've had an audience from across Wales tonight, from north, south, east and west, with representations from our partner universities, from our students, our partner business and other collaborators. And as it's been said today, I know many have travelled distance, so thank you very much for coming tonight. Diolch yn fawr iawn. This year promises to be the best yet of our annual awards, with 8 students competing for the prestigious awards on the table there. It's a triangle because that encapsulates the partnerships. We have students, we have academics, and we have a collaborative partner. And within that triangle is where, hopefully, some of the magic you're going to see tonight happens. More about the, and also, you know, the reason why we're here in the capital tonight is because there was a winner from Cardiff last year, and the tradition is to visit the winner's hometown. So it's going to be very interesting to see if the prize can be wrestled away from Cardiff tonight. More about the Petaculture competition in a moment, but I'd just like to build on some of Terry's, Professor Marsden's comments a little before we get started. CARES, the Knowledge Economy Skills Scholarships Programme, is now entering the final year of a 5-year programme. In that time, CARES will have supported 230 PhD scholarships and 174 research masters, in collaboration with over 250 external businesses and organisations across the length and breadth of Wales. And as we said, in the pack, you can see a list of those companies. And I think it's quite right we formally thank those organisations for the support, because without that support, this programme wouldn't be able to run. And also in your packs, you'll find, as Laura mentioned, some case studies of previous projects that have run. And I think tonight we'll also be hearing from participants themselves and their projects. But overall, that project is worth £33 million once you take into account the grants from Europe, the contributions from the companies, and also the contributions from the universities participating in the programme. And I think it's right to say that CARES is a special programme in the way that it mixes research, knowledge exchange, and higher level skills into one scholarship programme. As has been mentioned before, it works across the Welsh universities and also across the Welsh Government's 4 priority R&D sectors. And it has 2 key aims. Firstly, to deliver highly skilled individuals to power the knowledge economy in Wales. And secondly, to deliver research with impact. And both of these issues are crucial for universities, for modern universities. And tonight, I'm sure we're going to see some excellent examples of both. So, I hope tonight's competition will demonstrate just how special the programme is and the breadth, well, of high-quality projects coming through the programme. There's no doubt the competition is challenging, but I'm very much looking forward to it, and I'm sure tonight will prove a worthy winner for tonight, for the trophy. I think Petaculture, for those of you who haven't seen it before, is one of the toughest challenges you can have when it comes to presenting your work. It requires discipline, a flair for presentation and innovation, but also a solid evidence base to back up your claims. To put yourself forward to be judged in front of your peers is an achievement in itself. And I think this approach also has formed the basis of a lot of the skills development that's come through the CARES programme. I mean, quite recently there were 12 CARES scholars who attended a European summer school where they developed very valuable research, innovation and commercial skills alongside other European industrial doctoral students from Sweden, the Czech Republic, Belgium and Portugal. And there's going to be a follow-on programme in March in the Czech Republic. And there were students who attended that summer school who are going to be presenting tonight. As was mentioned previously, we're currently, with our partners and collaborators, looking at opportunities in the next round of structural funds in Wales to see if we can continue the work with CES and further develop the programme. And events like tonight are going to play a key part in developing that case, showcasing as it does the talents and achievements of individual scholars and their projects. The emphasis tonight is on those taking part in the competition and to celebrate their and other scholars' achievements. I really do hope you find the event interesting, stimulating, and most of all enjoyable. And I do include the presenters in that as well. I'd like to hand over now to Laura Stafford, the Business Liaison Officer, who will run through the CES Business Liaison Officer, who will run through the Petacucha competition. So, almost let's the games commence. Diolch yn fawr iawn.